Hello YouTube. Sorry, I haven't been online for a while. I've been doing renovations and stuff, but I have a new update about my MMO project. I know I stopped my MMO project somewhere in February, I guess, and I haven't updated since. But this project is somewhat alive. I've been working on it, as this video proves. One thing that's important is that the game is now a mobile MMO, so this naturally means that there are some changes. First of all, the graphics aren't that good anymore because most people phones cannot handle extremely high number of polygons. So I took out the UMA characters and I replaced them with low polygon, non modal characters. So you cannot edit them. Um, Another thing is that I reduced the amount of data that this game uses, so people can use their mobile data without having to go over or pay extra for mobile data. Anyways, so if you take a look at my first video, you would know that there's a lot of features for the login, but there are a few new features. The first of all is safe credentials. Because you're playing on mobile, a lot of players are not as ready to sit down and start entering their password every single time they play. They want to pick up and go really quickly. So I want to be able to log in with one click. So the save credential allows you to save your credentials to log in with one click. And there's also the one-click login because a lot of mobile gamers, they don't want to create a whole account just to be able to play. They just want to get started right away. So uh, one click, so there displays a warning. Everything is in red. So the username password will only be shown once and it cannot be recovered ever again. Are you ready to write it down? So obviously, I don't intend for everybody to write it down because once you log in, uh, you will be able to save the login using save credentials. I hopefully. So yes. So this is the username and password. So now an account has already been created. And now I can instantly continue using the new account, or I can manually enter it in. So I'll continue in a while to show how that works. But anyways, or actually I can use manual login. So another thing that I added is the privacy policy. This is what got my Orange Dungeon Crawler shut down. They claimed that I did not have any privacy policy. So since I was using ads, I needed this. So if you click this, it'll direct you to the privacy policy for the Unity ads. That's good, great. I'm using Mimu emulator, by the way. So, anyways, here are the credits. I know it's a little messed up right now, but this is probably the last thing I'm going to fix because once I get all the names over here, then I'll fix all this, no problem. All right, the manual login. The interface looks a lot like my RPG project, and that's because I borrowed it from it. So it's I rearranged the button to make it a bit easier to understand. So new user, as you can see, this UI was from the previous game. So let's create a new user. C. Actually, we already have a C account, so let's do D account. So D account. Email is optional. If you want to recover your email, you can enter it here. Create user. That's not good because you normally they'll say user has been created. So this means that the server is not actually online. So I would have to reboot the game right now. I just turned on the server, so I just forgot to turn on the server. Okay, so this should be a lot easier. So new user, D. Oh, sorry. Okay, that looks good. So now I should be able to log in, but I can also reset password over here. Unfortunately, if you don't have to enter your email, you won't be able to reset your password. So it explains it over here. If you can also get your unlock key back. So anyways, I can reset my password. Let's just say about D. Oh, sorry. Enter new password. Enter username. Unlock key. All right. So this is only for password recovery. So D. I turned off all the sounds for now, but there are sounds. I can turn on the sound right now. The music is not composed by me because I'll do the music later. Okay, so one thing that's interesting about this MMO is that I tried to keep things minimalistic. because I'm the only developer. If I try to go crazy, I won't be able to finish the game. So I wanted to limit the amount of features that are in the game. So right now you have 4 characters. You cannot change the appearance at all. There's no options for character creation. So you just choose your character. All the characters are gender locked, and they all have 1 attack and 2 skills. That's it. The skills are not upgradable, but the stats and the equipment are upgradable. So we have 1 healer. This is the only class that can heal. Anyway, so let's just create a warrior. Let's call him YouTube. Oh, test. So now that you've created a character, you can also create characters for other classes. So each account is limited to 1 character per class. So if you want to play a personal class, you create the character, but you can't create 2 personal classes unless you create 2 accounts. So that's a limitation I'm happy with. So it's going to be mobile. So you got the movement, you got the attack, you got the special attack 1, you got the special attack 2, you got chat right here. Same as it works the same. So hello, right there. Local, whisper, all good. This is new. Um, Here we have our character profile, our inventory. I spent quite a while in this. You can sort your inventory. So to show the inventory works, first of all, I'm going to show the multiplayer works. So I'm going to log into another account using my mobile phone. So let's see, manual login. I'm going to log in as username C. Give me a second. I'm logging in. Servers are offline. That's not good. Okay, I am encountering a bug right now where I'm getting in .NET socket exceptions. So hopefully I can. Oh, it did. I didn't get exception this time, did I? I think I did. That's not good. Yep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart the server. Hopefully, I might edit this part out, but or I might keep it in. Just keep it honest. Bugs do happen during MMO development sometimes, especially when you're alone. So, okay, character 1 connected. Okay, continue. So one-click login works. Manual login. C. Login. Okay, I logged in with my other account. So I'm gonna log in as a gunner on the other account. Let's see where I am end up. Okay, my other account is in the other map, so I have warps, so I can move. This is my other account, so I can move around. See, that's a gunner. I'm gonna attack. He's like, I'll save you. But oh, I got 2 new equipment. So I'm gonna go attack some monsters with my other account. So just zap some monsters, I think. Yeah. So aggro can transfer from one character to another. For example, if I hit this guy, watch this. Oh, see that? So now this character has aggro. So you can check the enemy's health over here. You can tell he's been damaged a little bit. So see that? The health bar works. Alright, so everything's good. So now I'm going to show you the... Oh, one thing is the monsters don't do any damage, but that's because I said it that way. The damage works, and so does the respawn, but I'm not going to show it today. I'm going to show it another time. So to select, you click. To deselect, you click this right here. That's how you deselect. So equipment, zombies only drop armor for now. This is only for testing. On real game, you can sort by equipment type. There are 3 slots, so you can equip like that. You can upgrade if you have currency, but we don't have any currency, so we're gonna scrap this. So now we have currency. We can upgrade this, so it'll add a random stat. So check this out. Oh, it just added 1 agility, right? So I can unequip, equip. If you get new equipment, oh, I just leveled up. I'm gonna put it all in agility, just better. Yeah. Oh, I'm just gonna kill some zombies until I get my other equipment, because if I get equipment, then it will show the equipment as new. Yeah, let's just show you. The zombies have a 20% chance to drop, so I may have to kill 5, around 5. It's also possible to get experience when you're around the monster if you have hit the monster. So kill steal is not really a thing in this game. You can share the experience. The more the merrier. You do get slightly less experience if you didn't do much during battle, or if you didn't do much damage or haven't attacked much, but you still get some, which is pretty good. So if you're a noob, you can leech a little bit, hit the little monster here. I'm not getting any equipment, but it's because of bad luck. See, no equipment. I'm gonna equip this, and then. So 1 in 5 chances to try it. Nope, nothing here. Well, I'm gonna move my other character out of the map. So character's going out of the map. So character just left the map. Let's go meet the other character in the other map. Oh, check that out. So pretty cool, huh? So I'm gonna move to the other map. Still no drops. But yeah, you can select the other characters. Oh, see? So you can see their name. You can chat with them. You can whisper them, truly stupid noob. That's weird. I have to check that out later. But I'm gonna do some chatting with other characters, see what happens. Hello. Yep. And that is another interesting thing because this character is truly stupid noob, but actually is Bubbles. The character name is Bubbles. So it seems like when I select this person, I'm getting a different name up here for some reason. I'm gonna have to check that out. But that's definitely a bug. And again, I'm not trying to. I'm still trying to find that equipment. Hmm. Sometimes I get ridiculously bad drops. I swear it's 1 in 20. Can't believe you're watching me grind on. Maybe I should just make it 100%, but then that's no fun because it's. Well, I can check the experience level. I'm 1 to experience level up. Okay, so the next monster I kill, I should level up. Oh, I got new equipment and I leveled up. So put in agility. I should have new equipment. Alright, so you can see which equipment is new. It has new over here, right? So I can sort them out. I don't have enough equipment, so I can sell this to market. So I can sell this like I'm crazy. I want a lot of money for it. So now my item is on the marketplace. If I don't want to continue to sell it, I can cancel it. So no matter what I select, I can't put another equipment on the market, but I can cancel it and I'll get it back. Alright, so if I can sell and get the currency. So I can equip this one more time. Upgrade, sorry. I got 1 vitality extra. So, all right. So I think that's a lot of the features here. This is the quest button. Doesn't do anything right now. I can minimize and maximize the uh, menu. Doesn't do much, but whatever. I can minimize and maximize this. I can chat in global or I can reply in global too. So I'm gonna move my other character outside, and then I'm gonna reply in global. Right. So there you go. I can chat globally, but I won't be able to chat locally here. I'm gonna reply locally, but it's not gonna get any message. Yeah, I didn't get any message. That's because I'm in a different map. Also, you can block players. If I block bubbles, I can block bubbles. Okay, block player. So I now block bubbles. I know this UI looks a bit weird. I need to check that out because it's meant for. I only been testing at 720p, but still kind of works. It's fine. The chat is a little weird though. Anyways. And I have no idea, but for some reason I'm still selecting zombie even though I'm in the other map. That's not supposed to happen because I actually tried to fix the bug. I thought I fixed the bug, but it didn't work. Anyways, I think that's all there is to this game. There's only 2 things left to program. There is this button, the quest. The idea of quest is every day you get a few quests and you can kill certain monsters to get some currency. The other feature I need to do is the marketplace. So the marketplace I've already partially implemented here, sell to market, but I can't actually buy from the market. And to do that, I intend to only be able to buy in the city. So if you're in the city, these 3 buttons will disappear because I don't want players to spam in the city to lag out other players. But instead, there'll be a large sell button. Oh, sorry, market button here, so you can buy equipment in the city only. And then I will have to double check the monetization to make. There will be no pay to win. There will be no microtransactions. The only thing there'll be is ads, and ads are only when you die and you want to respawn in the same place. You can just cancel it and respawn in city, or if you want to refresh the quests, if you want to do more than say 3 quests a day, you can watch an ad to do refresh one of the quests. That's it. So that's all of the monetization features. After that, then if I do finish those 2 features, then all I have to do is implement game features. So right now I have 10 tiers of equipment. So this is level 2 tier, level 2 equipment, right? I have level 1 to 10 equipment, and I also have have 30 types of monsters. So 3 different type of monsters for each tier, and 1 type of monster per each drop. So 1 monster drops helmet, 1 monster drops armor, 1 monster drops footgear per tier. That's it. Okay, so hopefully this game will come out early next year. Technically, the mechanics will be finished probably in 2 weeks, and then the content will take maybe say 1 to 2 months. And then I might write music for it. If I write music for it, that will take probably another month, and then it comes to testing because, like you see, I encountered a few bugs. I wasn't able to log in, and I have no idea what's going on. So I'm gonna fix those before I release the game, and hopefully I'll release more videos before the game is released. Thank you very much. Bye.